Hey, what's up guys? My name is Andrew and welcome back to my Armies Trading channel. And today guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you a really powerful strategy you can use in binary options trading. And I remember guys, I taught you a different strategy last week, but now today we are going to take it even another step further, and we can actually use a Bollinger Bands and two moving average lines, and then we are going to wait for 3 confirmations before each trade. These guys, if you will be able to, I actually after this video I want you to practice the strategy, guys. I want you to practice it, and you will see that it's really powerful. Why this strategy is powerful? Due to the fact, guys, that when you see the full setup and when you follow my lead, when you follow the rules I will teach you, guys, the failure rate is really small, you know. I'm going to teach you everything regarding this new strategy. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. First things first, guys, first things first. Today is nice and sunny morning, so I decided to actually teach you this strategy because I also received many emails from you people who are actually suggesting me to actually show this strategy to you guys, because this is a different strategy. Today's strategy is completely different from all the other strategies I taught you guys. So stay tuned. So yeah, guys, it's really sunny morning, but you know, when you are full-time trader, the weather really doesn't matter. But it's still nice, you know. Anyway, guys, so let's get started. Okay? So first things first, guys, if you are new to binary options trading, first thing you need to have is binary options broker's account, obviously, where you will trade. And if you are looking for a legitimate, safe, and regulated binary options broker, then please, guys, read in the description box below the video, because in there I have a couple of safe and legitimate and trusted alternatives, guys. For example, for this instance I am using 24 Option, guys. 24 Option is really good broker. They're fully regulated, they're safe, they're really reliable broker. Also, you can use Stock Pair. Stock Pair, guys, is another really good broker. It's fully SEC regulated, so they're really trusted as well. And there is absolutely no negative points regarding Stock Pair either. But guys, if you are from United States, so if you guys are from United States, then I would highly recommend you to use the Trade Hunter. You know, Trade Hunter is really reputable broker, and it also offers you to trade with little trade amounts, such as low as $1 per trade. So Trade Hunter is perfect for those who are from United States. But if you are from other regions, then either Stock Pair or my highly recommended 24 Options would be really highly recommended. Anyway, guys, so let's go to the strategies, okay? Let's go to the strategy, guys. So anyway, so for this strategy, we will be using three main things, three main indicators. Two of them are moving averages. So we're gonna use two moving average lines and a Bollinger Bands. How you can set this up? Some of you may be asking, what is this? How you can open this chart and how you can set everything up? Everything is really easy, guys. So for this instance, my personal favorite charting solution is freestockcharts.com. As you can see here, this one is called freestockcharts.com. This is the official URL. Which works on Firefox, guys. So it doesn't work on Edge or Explorer or Chrome. It works on Firefox. So guys, please install Firefox browser and then just basically search for freestockcharts.com. It's free charting solution, guys. It's really responsive and it's highly customizable and such. So for this, all you need to do is first you need a broker's account. Second thing, you need the freestockcharts.com platform. You open it, and when you open it, you will have you will see black screen and the chart. Make sure that first thing you do when you are on your charting solution, first thing you need to do is you have to go to the settings. You click on plot style, and make sure that the plot style is set to candlestick. And then simply click OK. Then the next thing we need to do is we need to set up our indicators. How we set up indicators? Again, it's really easy. Um, you will be so this is, for example, this is Euro JPY chart, as you can see here, Euro against JPY. Here you can choose any symbol you want, like Euro, USD, and like any one you want. Doesn't really matter. But for this video, so it doesn't really matter. You know, depends which asset you are trading with. And this one, for example, is Euro JPY. So indicators. So how to add indicators? You basically click here on Add Indicator. Then scroll to the moving when it's where it says moving average, like so. Click on it. Then click on price history. Then click on price history. I already have it, so I already have two moving averages. So whenever you do that, you will see a blue moving average average line indicator. You click on this arrow right here. Click on Edit. Then click on, you see where it says period, okay? It will most likely say 50 or something, okay? But the period we are going to use for this strategy has to be 365. So set it at 365 and a plot color, set it at blue if it's not already blue. And then click OK. Now the second for the second indicator, we're gonna do the same thing. So we need two moving average lines. Another thing, guys, I forgot to tell you is when you do edit, make sure it's set plot style is line blue period 365, and then make sure that average type is set to exponential, not simple. This is exponential, guys. This has to be exponential. And then you will see that it will say exponential moving average 365. What does it mean, guys? So this basically, guys, means that this is an exponential moving average line which is set to 365 because there are 365 days a year, and this is gonna be this line is gonna show us the average when it comes to price action and market volatility in the price action, which is going to be displayed on a 365 day period, 365 day average. Now, guys, the next moving average line we have to set. So you have to set up the second moving average line the same way. For the second one, we click on Edit. You click on plot style red. Well, you can choose any color you want, guys, but I set it at red because this is widely used strategy, and professional traders are using blue and red lines because it's easier to see, you know. So for the second moving average line, make sure that period is set to 180, which will basically divide 1 year to the half. We're not gonna set it to 183 or 82. We're gonna set it to 180. Also, again, make sure that it's set to exponential, and then click OK. Now we have two moving average lines set. Now we have to now we have to set up the third and one of the most important indicators for this strategy, which is the Bollinger Bands. And how we set up the Bollinger Bands? See, Bollinger Bands are these walls you see here. This gray wall. And how to set the moving average line is basically click on indicator, click on Bollinger Bands, and click OK, and that's it. You don't need to change anything in there. Okay, so what is the time now? It's 80 minutes. Okay, I will try to explain this strategy quickly and to the point. So basically, guys, in this strategy we are looking for 3 confirmations. Confirmation number 1. When the blue line is above the red line, it means that the currency or a particular asset price is going down. The price is experiencing downward trend. But if the red line is above the blue line, it means that the price is experiencing upward trend. I hope I hope I explained you this clear. So we are looking for downward and upward trends. That will be our first confirmation. Second confirmation, guys, is that we are looking for the candlestick to cross either upper Bollinger Band or the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So this will be our second confirmation. And how we do it, we basically look for basically, guys, the criteria is like this. If we see that the price, according to our exponential moving average lines, we see that the price is going down. Let me see. Like here, the price is going down, right? But at the same time, we see that the candlesticks are crossing the upper Bollinger Band. Like, for example, like here, here, as well as it happened in here and here. So, for example, like here we can take an example because it happens again and again, guys, and it's really powerful. So again, when the price when we see a downward trend, like here, the blue line is above the red line, it means the price is going down. Then if we see that the candlestick is crossing the upper Bollinger Band, like here, then we are looking for the third confirmation. And the third confirmation is that we should see the candlestick forming in the opposite direction. If we see that, then we jump in and we place the put trade. But the most important confirmation is this, guys. We have to make sure that the candle which is forming is bigger than a candlestick which is showing us the direction. Like it happened here and here. For example, here we can see downward trend, candlestick crossed or upper Bollinger Band, and the next candle moved the opposite direction, and it was bigger than our mother candle. The confirmation candle. And basically, for this strategy, guys, we are looking for the candlestick patterns. So we have to make sure, guys, that we either experience engulfing a bearish candlestick pattern or engulfing a bullish candlestick pattern, which means it's either going upwards or downwards. And then again, in next upcoming videos, guys, I will explain you different candlesticks, because you see, each candle looks guys, when you look at the chart, each candle is unique, right? Each candle has its unique features, if you like, and each candle means something, guys. These candles are not just forming themselves like any way they want. Each candle means something, guys. Like this is a doji, and also let me know, guys, if you want me to explain you the candlestick patterns, because by looking at the candles, guys, when you learn the candles, you will be able to predict the future price, you know, in long term. As well as combining your strategy together. But anyway, but with this strategy, guys, all you need to do is you need to use these three confirmations. So again, here is the same situation here. The candlestick crossed the upper Bollinger Band. The next candlestick formed on opposite direction, and here we basically place a put trade. How long would be the put trade? 20 to 30 minutes, guys. Look at 5-minute chart. And the trade should be 20 to 30 minutes, you know. So for this instance, we experience a couple of downward moving trends. So let's choose another asset where we will see exactly the same thing happening, but the opposite way. So let's choose another which asset, like which doesn't really matter, you know, because this is really powerful strategy, guys. So let's choose, anyway, let's choose, it doesn't really matter. So USD CAD, right? I'm just randomly picking the asset, guys, because this is really powerful strategy. So, what is this? USD CAD. USD CAD, okay. Let's go to USD CAD, maybe. USD CAD. Let's see what we see here. If we see anything here. So, according to USD CAD, let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, USD CAD 5-minute chart. As you can see, red line is above the blue line. What does it mean? Correct. It means that the price is moving upwards. It means that the price is experiencing upward movement, which means that in this case, what we are looking for, if the price is moving up, if it's experiencing upward movement, we are looking for the candlestick to touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So we're looking for the candlestick to actually break this movement, you know, because the Bollinger Bands are showing us the wall, the support, the wall in between which the price action is actually jumping, you know. So we are looking for this price action to show us that there's something wrong, okay, and that there's something wrong with the asset, with the movement, and just to explain you more easily, you know, and this is something we can see that there's something wrong, and we know that the price is gonna fix itself up and it's gonna move back to their usual state. Again, maybe, well, this you actually, well, you cannot say this. This actually doesn't make sense, but this just in case if you are complete newbie to trading, you know, I'm just trying to explain you this with as simple terms as possible, as simple as possible, guys. You know, I've been trading Forex for the past 4.5 years, and I have been trading binary options for the past 2 years. Well, I don't see myself going back to any 9 to 5 jobs, whatever, of course not. But here we go. Anyway, let's look for our conditions, okay? Let's zoom out, okay? We can clearly see that this USD CAD, whatever currency pair, is experiencing upward trend because the red line is above the blue line. So let's see. As we can clearly see in here, look, there was a Bollinger Band crossed the bottom, sorry, the candlestick crossed the bottom of the Bollinger Band, right? Right. The price is experiencing upward movement, right? Right. And then we're looking for a third condition, which is the third condition. We're looking for the candle to move and to move the opposite direction, and we're looking for the and this candle has to be bigger than our main indicator candle. Which again, beautiful setup is here. This beautiful setup, beautiful. And in here, guys, we place up the call trade for the next call trade for the next 20 to 30 minutes. As you can see, 5, 10, yeah, next 20 to 30 minutes. And it would be another really beautiful in the money trade, guys. Let's see if we can see something similar. Okay, we can see something similar happening in here. Okay, beautiful setup. Candlestick move across the bottom Bollinger Band. The red line is above the blue line. But the third condition, guys, the third condition is not here. You see, the candle formed in the opposite direction, but the candle is not bigger than our main indicator candle. Which means what? Which means that we can avoid this trade. We can avoid this trade. Now, let's see if we see anything else. Yes, we can see the same again here. See the candle touched the candle. This candle crossed the bottom Bollinger Band, which is the spike. Next candle was forming opposite direction, which is higher than the main indicator candle. Which means here we would put another trade for the next 20 to 30 minutes. Which would end up around here, which would be another winning trade. This would be another winning trade, guys. So anyway, guys, I can go all day long, you know, because this is really powerful strategy. I hope you guys understand the strategy. But my most important thing is this: that you wait for those confirmations, and then when you see those confirmations, you jump on your broker's platform, pick up your asset, and place the trade, guys, for next 20 to 30 minutes. Make them. If you look at 5-minute chart, then look for the 20 to 30-minute trades, guys. So here we go, guys. So anyway, so maybe let's check another one. What is this? USD CAD, USD JPY. Let's just I'll just go move one up. USD JPY, because any currency pair, guys, really any currency pair. So what is this? USD JPY. Let's check it out. USD JPY. Now let's see if we have any. If we have a. As you can see, here we go straight away, guys. As you can see again, red line is above the blue line. The blue line is supposed to be, it's just because it's a new chart. The red line is above the blue line. The candle crossed the bottom Bollinger Band. Next candle opened the opposite direction, which is bigger than the actual indicator candle. and the price moved back up. So here is another beautiful call trade. So as you can see, guys, this strategy, this keeps repeating all over again, guys. So please, I want you to start practicing it out and start testing it out, because it's really powerful strategy. Why? Because it has really little failure rate, really little failure rate, guys. Anyway, guys, I hope you. If you have any questions, guys, please ask me. Please email me. And on the other hand, guys, I will keep explaining the strategy. I will keep explaining you the strategy, guys, because it's really powerful strategy. And I will keep teaching you different strategies, guys, because I will teach you strategies that works for me. I'm not going to show you, I'm not going to teach you all these thousands and thousands of different BS strategies, you know, because trading doesn't work this way. Also, guys, I'm not going to show you like 6 to 8 to 10 screens behind me, because with all these crazy charts, trading doesn't work this way. Trading, if you want to become full-time independent trader, guys, then education and practice is the key. So please practice the strategies and choose a reputable broker's platform. And here we go, guys. You know, practice. And if you practice I'm telling you, guys, if you practice even one strategy for about 3 weeks every day, then you will start seeing the consistent results, guys. That's it, you know, pure and simple. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please also subscribe to Binary Options Army channel, where I expose scams. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please share this channel to your friends, family, beloved ones. Please share this channel to anyone who is willing to become a full-time independent trader. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time. Bye.